Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on a notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March 2025, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.67. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has witnessed a decline of 13.24%. This amounts to an average loss of 1.66% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits within the lower range of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend support at $3.76 is breached, it could signal a slowing ascent and potentially serve as an early warning of a trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.18% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 2.04% to 42.92%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -3.19%. Based on our findings, the stock's performance could vary from -10.39% to 80.73% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $3.41 and $6.87. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price down 1.81% on Wednesday. The NIO stock price fell by 1.81% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, decreasing from $3.87 to $3.80. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.4%, with a day low of $3.75 and a day high of $3.84. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of 26.5% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as the volume should typically move in tandem with the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 139,000 shares, with a total of 41 million shares traded for approximately $157,520,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.57. Currently, the price sits 50.71%, or $3.91, below the 52-week high, and 94.33%, or $63.19, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the stock price soared to $66.99. NIO has recently reported an increase in vehicle deliveries compared to the same month last year for March and the first quarter of 2025, coinciding with significant changes in its stock dynamics. Currently, NIO's stock value has fallen by 41% over the last 6 months, resting just 6% above its 52-week low. This decline follows a fourth-quarter earnings report that did not meet expectations, despite improved vehicle margins. As of now, analysts remain cautious with a consensus recommendation to hold shares. However, the average price target suggests a potential upside of over 35% in the next 12 months, indicating some optimism among investors. In the short term, these delivery figures could instill confidence and attract buyers looking for recovery opportunities, potentially stabilizing the stock. Looking further ahead, NIO's ambitious plans for international expansion and the introduction of low-cost models could drive significant growth. The company's innovative battery swap technology enhances consumer appeal, particularly in the rapidly expanding new energy vehicle market in China. Despite current challenges, analyst projections anticipate substantial revenue growth, leading to optimistic long-term price targets, with estimates suggesting a possible increase to nearly $26 by the year 2030. Overall, while NIO's stock faces volatility in the near term, strategic initiatives and market positioning could create a favorable long-term outlook. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was additionally reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.33%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development. The NIO stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $3.97 and $4.46. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots marked a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.75, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as a positive reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 9 cents between its high and low, which equates to 2.4%. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 13 cents per share, It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.75. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? The NIO stock presents several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that NIO will perform weakly over the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we expect NIO to open lower by 330 cents and start trading at $3.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.